separate. I'm gonna put some new ones on there, and if you look, they're kind of already new. It's because I had that older model. Didn't really care for it. So here is, I'm gonna turn it on. Also, I'm in some good sun right now, and when you're in the sun, the display lights up a little bit better. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll do a tire where you can see. There, not so much sun. So, see it flashing? Because it's in the sun. It's not really in the sun right now, but it thinks it is. So we need FL on this one, which is that one right there. We're gonna do this one the right way, or at least how they think you should do it. I don't like it. And as soon as I shut this off, I'm taking it off. So this is the kit it comes with. This is the anti-theft. Stop people from stealing something nobody wants. Taking that one off. Whoop, I actually took the cap off. This is my old one. Put that down. You gotta screw this on first. Screw it on really far. As far as it'll go, basically, because when this screws on, and then you're going to twist it the other way, which I tightened mine too far. You're going to twist it so it comes back out and pushes against the sensor. Then you're going to keep this tight, go like this, and twist it. So it's super secure, they think, because no one else gets the same wrench. There you go. So that's tight up against there, but if I walk up here, twist this to the left, it falls right off. So this is the stupidest thing ever. And this one beeps, I guess, too, when it loses PSI. I don't know if you guys can see that. This screwed in. 25, 31. Don't know how, I just showed a few different things. So let's go ahead and go to the other ones and not pick up that sensor I just took off. Oh, it's a bit cold out here. Okay, we're gonna need the left rear. Taking that one off. Hey, we're dropping it on the inside tire. Perfect. Right, left. We'll be screwing that in. Rear left, I think it really means. Got 31 in that tire. It's a bit colder out today than what it was yesterday, so the air in the tire is going to be kind of like a bomb. It's going to lower. So if it was a nice 70 degrees out today, it would be 33 psi. And since I'm going to a warm climate today, I'm not going to put air in it because there'll be too much air. Just screwed it in. That one's at 32 psi. It also updated, if you could see, the temperatures. 50 degrees, and 59 in the sun. So the sun is upping the temperature of the tire by almost 10 degrees. And then I'm putting this one on. That'll be the final one. There we go. 53 degrees, 32 psi. If I take it off, for some reason it beeps now. But if you tap that button right there, nope, doesn't let you do it. Nope. So no matter what, they all beep now, I guess. So there is no good model anymore. There you go, just slap that on your dash. I wouldn't quite put it in the sun because the display does not handle the direct sunlight. There you go. Thanks for watching. Good morning.